going to show you these really cool remote control cars we got from Amazon. These are pink. It comes with a little doll and some stickers so you can decorate the car. It's really cool product. It's made with quality ABS material. It has non-slip tires so it goes off-road. The tire in the back does open. It has like a little compartment and it brings this little cute doll. The battery for the car is USB chargeable. For the remote control, you gotta use two AA batteries. Those do not come included. It is just a great product. You have lots of fun. It has LED lights right here, so you can ride it at night also. And you'll get, once it's charged completely, you'll get up to 80 minutes of playtime. So a great product. We highly recommend. Hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.